this video I make a battery drill powered boat. Regular viewers will know I'm a big fan of the Longtail setups. They can run in shallow water, they don't tangle in the weeds as bad as an outboard or a jet pump. They are efficient because they are surface drive and they're simple and cheap to build. The downside are they're difficult to maneuver and control. I made this lightweight chainsaw powered one a while back that I'll use to start this project. So I'm going to use the receiver part of this motor. I can unbolt it, use that. Will save me a lot of time not having to make this piece, and I can put it back together later if I need to. That was actually quite hard to get apart. I ended up breaking the 3D printed part. The sprocket was very tight in there, but she's apart now. I'll take it into work and get this part working for the drill. That plate retains the thrust bearing, and the sleeve goes on, and then this bolt here that I've cut the head off to drive it. We're out here just off the road. This here is New Zealand's biggest river, the mighty Zambezi. So let's launch, see how it goes. Alright, let's get in without sinking. Haha! Alright guys, we're ready to go. This is super weird, there's heaps of people driving past. Speed. It's going to be a bit of a problem up here, but we'll push past, eh? Why not? What am I doing? This is fun though. Drillers. Oh, we go, that battery's toast. Another one in my pocket. Oh, the weed is so thick here. Oh, I think the drill's overheated. Yeah, the drill's overheating. I think it would be okay if it wasn't so weedy. Working a treat though. There we go. Wow. Wonder how many motorized boats have been up this creek. Probably not very many, eh? Pretty cool, eh? Poor drill. Maybe I'll keep going and I'll save full power for the harder parts. Overheated again. It's a good clear hole just over there. If I can get into that, I'll be away. Hooray! Perhaps almost surface driving. Oh, ducklings. Under the tree is nice and weed free. But I decided to go through the weeds to save myself. Oh, I got that one, looks even worse. How much battery I got left? Oh, last bar. I was still going to get back, guys, but it's quite swift, so I should be able to glide back pretty easily. I've gone quite a long way. I was almost hoping to get to a workmate's friend up here, Steve's house. And I'm not too far from it, but I'm on my last bar of battery. I've still got to get back, and I might need the drill power to get through the weeds. So unfortunately, we might call it here. I've got the boat just cruising down the creek here, got my battery storage sorted out. Longtail is spun around, not causing any drag. This is good fun. Imagine two of you and a mate with one each and drills and enough batteries to go all day long. It'd be awesome. The only problem is the overheating, but I think if the water wasn't so weedy, it wouldn't overheat so much. I'll see if I can get a bit of a speed test later on, but bear in mind my batteries are low. Going along, if you bounce the propeller up and down out of the water, it clears. So it's a technique you got to know. Coming back up on the road now. Alright, we're back underway. Drill power, see if I can turn around. It was fun going down there. Got the speed here. About 7. And my battery's totally dead. Swap batteries. Alright, we're here. Is this where I went in? I think reverse is good. For New Zealand's biggest river, it doesn't have a very good boat ramp. Get all the valuables out of here first before I drop something. Holy. Don't know if this looks big on camera, but it's like a meter high trying to get out here. Got it. Oh, so light. Up you come, buddy. Alright, my ute's still there, no one's stolen it, that's good. Just pick her up and carry her up. There we go, loaded up. Just easy to throw on the back of the ute. The Longtail fits inside the boat. Let's go.